Hi guys, and welcome to another HostedFTP tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be going over how to upload files using drag and drop in the HostedFTP web portal. I'm currently logged in as a user, and on the right hand side you'll see that there's a subset of folders that I want to upload files into. On the right hand side in my file explorer are the list of files and different types of extensions that I want to upload in bulk into this folder. So to begin the upload, I'll simply click on the folder first under my Files tab, making sure that's highlighted. Then I'll click on the Upload button to get to this pop-up screen. Then to upload, I'll simply just select all the files and folders that I want to upload into this folder, drag it into the drag and drop box. And once complete and everything selected, I'll click on the Upload button to start the process. Keeping the window open, once the upload is complete, I can simply click on Browse Files. And with the refresh screen, I'll now have all the proper files populated, including the proposal folder with all the files inside. Thanks for watching.